Matagal ko nang naririnig tong Legazpi Sunday Market at finally na-explore ko na rin siya. Sa totoo lang, sobra akong natuwa kasi hindi ko in-expect na napakadaming food stalls and products na makikita ko. Namiss ko tuloy yung feeling ng local market talaga sa probinsya. So, magkahalo siya eh. It is a mix of local and international products. So, may mga nakita akong Moroccan dishes, Indian dishes, Thai, Vietnamese, and syempre yung mga favorite Filipino food natin kagaya ng lechon, adobo, bibingka, inasal, barbecue, and may mga nakita rin akong mga artworks at mga unique items and products including antiques at saka yung mga rare na vase and porcelain including this rosary from Greece. So, it was a feast for the eyes and natuwa rin ako kasi may mga nakita kong orchids and handmade soaps and shampoos. Napaka-creative nung mga sellers dito which makes me think na pinili talaga ng mabuti ng mga organizers kung sino yung magbebenta. I also love the fact na merong artist who was playing his traditional music habang nag-iikot ako inside the market which made the experience even more beautiful. Ang mga Filipino artists talaga are artists all over the world. They bring so much joy to us and they make our country much more interesting. Ang dami ko mga nakitang mga quirky items dito, yung mga hard to find items. Hindi mo basta-basta makikita sa mall which made it really special. Hindi lang iisa o dalawang types of products yung makikita mo dito. Sa sobrang ganda, napabili nga ako ng food. Itong adobo and fresh fruits are super worth it. And natuwa rin ako kasi may mga fresh seafood. Honestly, here in Metro Manila, it's hard to find itong mga ganito like this native local chicken. So, it brought a smile on my face na ang ganda nung pagkakagawa nila ng Legazpi Sunday Market. No wonder 20 years na siya because super solid talaga yung experience and ang daming creative things that you can do. So, bumili ako ng mga fresh fruits like this langka. And magkahalo talaga yung mga people na makikita mo dito. At natuwa din ako because there is an ongoing Sunday Mass near the Legazpi Active Park. So, pwedeng magsimba muna sa morning and then after that, pumunta na sa Sunday Market sa Legazpi to buy fresh fruits and flowers and to have time with the family, or if naghahanap kayo ng something quirky and fun na dating experience or get to know, kumbaga, this is a good place to be. There are so many interesting people and experiences that you can do. And natuwa rin ako because there are a lot of policemen na nakadeploy sa area making the experience feel safe. Kumbaga, feeling mo safe ka. So, if you are planning to do some activities when you are in the Philippines, if you're a foreigner or just an OFW who just wants to explore again the Philippines after a long time na wala kayo dito, this is something na ma-enjoy ninyo and this is something that you should try. Ang Makati talaga is offering so many unique experiences. So, it's very different talaga. That's why a lot of people have been talking about the Legazpi Legazpi Sunday Market. So, this is located in the Corinthians Car Park in Makati. At mas maganda pag mas maaga kayo pumunta. So, around 6:30 to 10:30 kasi a lot of the products are already sold out. So, pag mga around 9:30 nagsa-start ng maubos yung mga products nila. So, mas maganda na dumating ng maaga para maabutan nyo pa yung mga best of the best like this. Local pastries na super sarap naman talagang tingnan and the fresh flowers na affordable. God bless you!